Using Monday.com column types is an essential part of creating a customized and efficient workflow. Column types allow you to store and display different types of data in a way that is easy to understand and analyze. To start, it is essential to understand the various column types available in Monday.com. These include text, number, date, time, checkbox, and more. Each column type serves a specific purpose and allows you to capture specific data. For instance, the text column type is ideal for storing names, descriptions, and other text-based information. The number column type is useful for storing numerical data such as quantities, prices, and percentages. This column type also allows you to perform calculations and create formulas. The date column type is perfect for storing deadlines, birthdays, and other important dates. Using the right column type is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps to ensure data consistency and accuracy. By using the correct column type, you can avoid errors and inconsistencies in your data. Secondly, it enables you to perform calculations and create formulas. For example, you can use the number column type to calculate totals, averages, and percentages. Thirdly, it allows you to create custom views and filters. By using different column types, you can create custom views that display specific data and filters that narrow down your data. For instance, you can create a view that displays only tasks that are due today or a filter that shows only completed tasks. To get the most out of Monday.com column types, it is essential to follow best practices. Firstly, choose the correct column type for your data. Secondly, use clear and descriptive column names. Thirdly, use conditional formatting to highlight important information. In conclusion, using Monday.com column types is an effective way to create a customized and efficient workflow. By understanding the different column types and using them correctly, you can ensure data consistency and accuracy, perform calculations, and create custom views and filters. By following best practices, you can get the most out of Monday.com column types and take your workflow to the next level.